friends. Have you ever felt like you were stuck scrolling through social media, wondering how people actually make money online? I know I have. I mean, for years, I just kept thinking there is no way that this could work for me. But a few months ago, I found and discovered a simple system that helped me go from zero experience to building my very own online business. And today I want to share my journey with you because if I can do it, well, you certainly can do it too. I'm Hillary, also known as your Mythical Marketer, and I spent years helping people buy and sell homes. And along the way, I realized that there is a huge opportunity for learning high income skills online and to take control of your financial future. Now, I'm not here to sell you some magic formula, but I am here to show you that there is a step-by-step path that actually works, even if you've never done it before. Because before I started, I felt completely lost. I didn't know where to begin or which platform to use or even if I had what it takes. And I remember thinking, this looks way too complicated. It's way too technical. Maybe this just isn't for me. And if you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to start an online business, then, you probably get it. It's confusing out there. There's so many systems, so many courses, so many shiny promises, and that's exactly why most people give up before even starting. But then I found this system that actually changed everything. What made it different was that it was just simple, step by step and beginner friendly. I didn't need a big audience. I didn't need a huge budget. I just needed to follow the framework and take action. And that's exactly what I did. And within a few weeks, I started seeing some progress. I had my first funnel built. I had my first lead sign up. And then I made my first sale, which was awesome. And I can't even describe the feeling. And suddenly, all of the confusion and fear turned into clarity and momentum. And it wasn't about luck. It was about following a proven system and taking small, consistent actions every day. And here's what I learned along the way. Number one, if you just focus on one skill at a time and don't overwhelm yourself, then you stick to consistency because consistency beats perfection every time. So you want to take little actions daily and then follow a proven system. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. So if you're thinking, Hillary, I really want to know. I want to know, where can I start? Here's my advice. Choose a system that's beginner friendly. Focus on learning and not perfection. Some of us are perfectionists. And take small steps every day. And I promise you, if you do this, you'll start seeing momentum. And it might feel scary at first, but those little wins add up fast. And they build your confidence too. So if you want me to guide you step by step through this process, the course I followed is your shortcut. It's a complete step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to start, grow, and get your first online sales. Plus, when you join, you get access to an amazing support community, and it helps keep you motivated because having someone there to guide you makes all the difference. So here's what you can do next. Click the link, check out the course, and take that first step towards financial freedom. Don't wait. Every day you delay, you could be building the life that you want. And remember, if I can do it, you can do it too. So start today and watch your life change. I can't wait to see you on your road to success and financial freedom.